Hello, Collision Drumsticks. My name's Molinaro Thompson. I'm a professional drummer, percussionist, composer based in New Orleans, Louisiana. I've been playing drums for 20 years and professionally since 2018 when I graduated from Berklee College of Music. I currently tour, record with a Zydeco artist named Terrence Simeon, a two-time Grammy Award winner, a Creole artist here in Louisiana. I also founded my own project, Funk Griot, with a collective of New Orleans musicians where we combine funk, hip hop, brass band music, rock, everything that you could think of. And I have a solo project of my own that's under my own name that the debut record of is releasing on August 9th. I play with the Collision 5A sticks. They're fantastic. The things that I love about Collision are the material. It's smooth when you play. You can get sweaty, yet it doesn't blister. And they're super durable as well. I've never broken one. You know, they'll get chipped and chewed up a little bit, but they're sticks, but they're so durable. You know, at the volume with which I play, I can get through 3 to 4 times as many shows as I could before. They're weighted so well, they almost feel as though they're an extension of my arm. It's so effortless whenever I play with them. And thirdly, it's such an open company. They've opened their arms to so many drummers like myself who are, up and coming and trying to make their career and try to make it work. And they're just so welcoming, and they give us a platform to speak and to be seen and be heard. So what you're about to see is a performance of a song called Mardi Gras in the Country that I performed with Terrence Simeon and the Zydeco Experience. And this show was from Moab, Utah, just last week. Hope you enjoy.